want to show you how to play Yellow Bird, dance band cha-cha style. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. To play Yellow Bird in that cha-cha style, first of all, I have a merengue setting on the rhythm, and I have it set at 124 beats per minute. So pick a rhythm, and that's about the right tempo, 124. Now then you're going to have three chords in there, four chords actually, but F. So you're going to play on the bass F, A, C, F, A, C. Then when you go to a C, 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 F, A, C. Now on a big keyboard you could hit a B flat here, B flat, but I just hit all the B flats right here, B flat, B flat, B flat, F, A, C. So we're going to play with the F, the C, the B flat, and then occasionally a G minor, G, B flat, D. And then we'll put the chords in right here, F, A, C. And when we go to the C7, we'll play it with E, B flat, C. Here's your C7, C, E, G, B flat. So we're leaving the G out, and we're just playing with the E, B flat, and C. And all I play is C, 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 F, A, C, B flat. Now here's your B flat. You're going to go F, B flat, D. Your B flat chord is B flat, D, F. So we're going to put the F down here. If you got a full-size keyboard, you can go with a low B flat and then to this B flat. But otherwise, just play this, all three B flats right there. Then you're more lucky than me. You're more lucky than me. Now let me give you the melody. C, B, C, Yellow Bird. C, B, C, A, B flat, C, A. C, B, C, A, B flat, C, A. D, D, F, B flat, D. C, C, F, A, C, 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 E, G, B flat, C, C, F, A, C, D, D, F, B flat, D, C, C, F, A, C, 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 B flat, A, G, F. Then that verse is A, C, F, A, C, B flat, G, G, B flat, E, B flat, D, C, A, C, F, A, C, B flat, D, G, C, E, G, B flat, A, B flat, A, G, F. But I have it set up to where you can, this is a sing-along version, so I'll leave the drums out for right now. And then we'll just, I'll do the sing-along with it. F, F, Yellow Bird, up, go to the C, high in banana tree, back to the F, Yellow Bird, you back to the C, sit all alone like me. Now we'll go to the B flat. Did your lady friend leave your nest again? Back to the C, that is very sad. Makes me feel so bad. So you go back to the, down to the C, then back to the F. Back to the B flat, we do it again. You can fly away, you can fly away. In the sky, you go back to the F, F, sky away. And then you just hit a staccato chord. You're more lucky than me. And the interlude is in F. Then we have, I also had a C chords, pretty girl. Yeah, she's not with me today. Back to the F. They're all the same, those pretty. There's where we go to the G minor chord right there. Pretty girls. To the C. Now for the C7 right there, we'll go a C, G, B flat, C. Take tenderness, then they fly away. So there you've got it, and then you repeat the chorus. You repeat the verse. So at the end of the second verse, it comes up with, so here I sit, nothing else to do. And then the tag is, do. Oh, yellow bird, yellow bird, yellow bird. And then I just like to throw a little cha-cha-cha right on the end of it to make it sound. Otherwise, you can fade it out. And if you put the drums with it, then you can see it here. So when you do that cha-cha-cha, just hit F and C there, F-A-C right there. And you can play the whole thing with the, play the whole thing with the drums. There you have it, Yellow Bird, cha-cha style, dance band cha-cha style. Hope you enjoy playing it and singing it.